1, 2. Check yourself in the mirror. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. If it's your first time here, you are welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much. You know the drill. Thank you so much for tuning back into today's video. My name is Nenyeeee for short. I'm a Nigerian YouTuber, makeup artist, content creator, currently serving in Lagos and living in Lagos. So in today's video, I'm sure you can already tell from the title what today's video is going to be about. I also get questions on what concealers to get or to use as a makeup artist or to use for oneself. Okay, so that's why I decided to make this video, and in this video I'll be sharing my 5 best affordable concealers that you can use. You do not need to break a bank to get this. Emphasis on affordable. It's budget friendly. Okay, you do not have to break a bank, like I said. With this video you get to see these products that I mentioned. Definitely going to leave all the brands links in the description box, and I'm going to leave the vendor you can also purchase this from. If you do not want to purchase through the official website of the actual brands, you can reach out through their distributors and get your product. So without further ado, let's get right into this video. So guys, first up on my top 5 concealer I would suggest you get is the LA Girl Pro Concealer. So I know this is like everybody, every beauty artist, every makeup artist, if you're into beauty, I'm sure you know this product. This is like the OG of the industry. It's been in existence, if I must say, before all other brands started coming in. This is like the bombshell. With this LA Girl Concealer, you are definitely going to enjoy it. I love this product. So this particular product retails for about 1.7, if I'm not mistaken, between 1.5 to 1.7. The consistency is matte. It's not matte at first. When you put it, it has this watery feeling to it, this watery consistency, but when you like leave it for about 1-2 minutes to just get a bit, and then when you blend, you begin to see how matte it can get. It has this very nice buildable coverage, so you can build up your coverage with this particular product. It has a lot of shade ranges, so with the shade ranges you can get ones you could use to highlight, you could get the ones you could use to contour, you could also use them as also lip liners, whatever thing you want to use it for. With this you get to multitask. Okay, it's very affordable, and it does the job done. You really do not need to break a bank to get a concealer. This is like the drugstore, #1 drugstore I would advise you get if you're looking for the best concealer to build up your kit as a makeup artist or your personal makeup kit. So with this you get money's worth. So the next one would be this one from Blossom. This is the Blossom Spotless Perfect Camouflage Super Matte Concealer. So it's written on the body, basically you use it for highlighting, contouring, concealing. So this is also very good for highlighting your under eye, all the places you want to highlight during your makeup. This is very good for it. It covers dark circles. It has this luminous feel to it. It doesn't have a matte feel to it. You get to enjoy another buildable coverage with this. It comes in different shades. You could pick any of the darker shades there to contour, or you could pick any of the lighter shades there to highlight, but it has to be what matches your skin tone. Okay, it's perfect for all skin type, all skin tones. They have different shades for different skin tones, like I said. So this one is in I-60 Posh. That's the shade that I have here in I-60 Posh. This would definitely go for landing brown skins. Okay, so if you want to do the highlighting, this would definitely go for it, not for contouring. You can see how the shade looks like. This would definitely go for highlights. It retails for about 1.5. I think they are currently on sales now. If you go to their page, you will get it for about 1,125 naira, if I'm not mistaken, on their website, I mean. But if you're getting it at the normal price, you're getting it at 1.5 per one. Next on my list will be the Adventure Pro Concealer. I reviewed this concealer on my YouTube channel here, I think about a year ago or so, and I still use it. I don't use it as much as I use other concealers. I'm gonna be as truthful as I can with you people. It's a very nice concealer, but I do not like the fact that it dries too fast. Like once you put it in under 5-10 seconds, it's already dried up. Like you have to blend. When I mean you have to blend like your whole life depends on it. I reviewed it. I'm going to leave the video so you see it. I'm going to link it up here somewhere so you see what I mean by you have to blend. Like that is an actual representation of the blending that I was talking about. It has a very good coverage. It has a very nice, beautiful coverage, but it is matte. And if you're the type that you're doing makeup, advise that if you use this, once you apply it, you start blending immediately. Do not say, okay, let me put this here and then you go on to do the other things. Like take for instance, you apply it on the places you want to highlight and then you leave it, then you say you want to do your contour. Trust me, when you get back to it, it's going to be a hassle for you to blend. So I advise that immediately you apply, blend it ASAP. Do not leave it. If you leave it, you're going to have a struggle blending it in, except your blending game is top notch. But for a beginner, if you feel like you can't work with this, you should try the other ones I'll be mentioning here. According to your budget, get what you can. So this is another good one I can recommend. The only issue I have with it is the fact that it dries down too fast. Aside that, it has a very nice, beautiful coverage. It sells for 800 naira. They have it in like 10 shades. I think they have different shades, ones you could use for highlights, the ones you could use for contour. It is so affordable. You do not have to break the bank to get this. You can get it for just 800 naira, guys. So the next one I would be recommending is the Nuban Beauty Pro Concealer. It's owned by a Nigerian brand. So it's the Nuban Beauty In My Skin Liquid Concealer. This is another bombshell. This has a very nice, beautiful coverage as well. And it comes in different shades. So this shade here right now is in 046. I just have 2 shades from this brand. It comes in about 12 shades. It has a luminous feel to it, okay? But with this too as well, immediately you put, it doesn't dry up so fast like the Adventure, but it dries up fast as well. But you can take like, let's say 3 or 4 minutes before you blend this, because me, I technically like to do my contour before highlights, okay? So when I'm done with my contour, before I go in with the highlights and blending. So even if I put this and like take my time in blending my contour, when I get back to this, I would still definitely blend it out. So this also is another good buy, and it is worth it if you want to purchase it. It sells for 4,200 naira. I would definitely leave the link to where you can purchase this if you want to get it. The last on my list would be the Flawless IV Liquid Concealer. So this is another good one, another affordable drugstore concealer you can get if you're a beginner or if you're trying to build up your personal kit. So this is another good one you can buy. Also has a very sweet luminous feel to it, okay? It doesn't dry down matte ASAP. You can take your time, do your other stuff, and then come back to blend it. Once you can blend it immediately, it also has a very nice coverage. But I feel like with this you have to go in like twice. Like if you apply the first layer and you blend, you might not really like get your full coverage, so you go in with a second layer. So that's what I mean by it has a buildable coverage. You can build up your coverage, okay? So it depends on what style your makeup is, or what you do with your makeup, or how your makeup is, okay? By that I mean, are you the type that like a very full coverage? Are you the type that likes like skin-like finish? So with that you can get that kind of coverage with this particular product. It comes in about 6 shades. It comes in about 6 shades, and with these 6 shades you can also get the shades for highlights. You can also get the shades for contour, and it sells for 15, just 1,500 naira. That's how much you would get this. So my darlings, that wraps up my top 5 affordable concealers that I as a makeup artist would recommend to you if you're starting to build up your kit or starting to build up your personal makeup kit. If you want to buy this product, you will get the links in the description box. So you just have to click on the link. It will take you directly to whichever one you want to get. Talk to their customer care there and tell them you want to get some of their products. If you're in Lagos, the makeup fair is coming up soon, and that's like on the 7th and 8th of May. So by the time you see this video, I pray I will not be too late in uploading it, so that you can still be able to like catch up with the video. You can go to the fair and get this there, but if you're getting it there, you can also get it at discounted prices, okay? And not get it at the original price, because they obviously sometimes run on sales when they do this Lagos makeup fair, so you can go there and get some of these concealers at an affordable price too as well, even slashed like 10% or 5% off. And that's slashing price for you. Like I said, you do not have to break the bank to look beautiful, honey. Okay, that's it about these concealers. If you have any question, guys, please feel free to drop them for me in the comment section. I would definitely reply and give you my verdict if you have any questions on this product I just mentioned. If you watched up until this point, please do not forget to subscribe, like my videos, turn on your notification bell so you don't miss any video when I upload them, guys. I love you, and I really can't wait to see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much. Thank you. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Mwah.